So welcome back. This is part 2 of our making a state machine. And for today, we are going to show how to wire up the 3 LEDs that we're going to use to simulate our 3 states, which are random wander, track light, and avoid obstacle. So the first thing we have to do is to attach 3 LEDs to our robot. We're going to have a green LED where the long leg is the positive between E1 and E3, a blue LED where the long leg is the positive between E5 and E7, and a red LED between E9 and E11, where E11 is the positive LED. Then we're going to put those in series with 330 ohm resistors in order not to burn up the LED. So the 330 ohm resistor is orange, orange, brown, and will be between D1 and ground for the first one, between D5 and ground for the second one, and between D7 and ground for the third one. So recall that the ground is going to be the black bus or rail on our breadboard. And next we need to attach our wires. So the first wire we're going to attach is a black wire from ground on the Arduino Uno or the red board to the black rail on the breadboard. Then we're going to have a green wire that goes from D3 to pin 2. A blue wire that goes from D7 to pin 3. And a red wire that goes from D11 to pin 4. So this concludes building the 3 LED circuit. Please come back for part 3 to see how we're going to write the code to make a state machine with these LEDs. Have a robotastic day.